Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the prescription and the pills. Start now by confirming dose and timing with the label. Take one pill with a full glass of water to help swallowing and absorption. If you have difficulty, use a pill cup. Once done, set a timer for the next dose and write the time in your medication log so you won't double dose. Make sure to follow any food or alcohol restrictions because they change how the pill works. Continue by keeping a steady schedule. Consistency helps steady blood levels, so use alarms or a pill organizer. Monitor yourself closely for the first 48 to 72 hours and record any changes: headache, nausea, or unusual mood shifts. If side effects appear, reduce activity and stay hydrated because dehydration can worsen symptoms. Make sure to review the log daily. To finish, complete the full prescribed course so the treatment reaches its intended effect. Stopping early can reduce effectiveness or cause rebound issues. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember unless it's close to the next one, then skip the missed dose and continue. One key troubleshooting tip: if you experience severe allergic or unexpected reactions, stop immediately, seek urgent medical help, and bring the pill bottle and your log to the clinician so they can quickly identify the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.